This, right here, is Knott's Berry Farm's Birdcage Theater. It is a replica of Tombstone, Arizona's original. It had been on the drawing board for nearly a decade before Walter Knott had this facade constructed of adobe bricks in 1954. From its inception, Knott utilized this ghost town venue to showcase melodramas. These presentations ran more than 40 years and made the Birdcage Theater the oldest continuously operating melodrama theater in the United States. It also became a training ground for many young, talented performers. Tombstone, Arizona was a rich and riotous mining camp in December 1881 when former Opera House manager Billy Hutchinson opened the doors of the Birdcage Theater. From the onset, it was patronized 24 hours a day by the town's miners, cowboys, and drifters who drank and caroused with the theater's chorus girl barmaids. The Birdcage enjoyed the reputation of being the Southwest's most famous vaudeville playhouse. It featured the most popular acts of the day. However, it was also a rough, rowdy bar, dance hall, and gambling house.
Yeah, they're just gonna do the signature right now.
Wyatt Earp, Doc Holliday, and Diamond Jim Brady were some of its more legendary clientele.
Paper collar, drawn just a little bit smaller. And I think I'm going to end up drawing 4 of these little shapes. If you want to give her a few more or a few less, that's up to you guys. Always remember you're the artist. You get to be as creative and expressive as you want to be. Alright, so once we have that on there, let's go ahead and show that she has some shoulders. So we're going to draw 2 lines coming down off of there. But on this particular